What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we are making a salad with jicama as the star. We're also going to be adding avocado, watercress, and to drizzle on top, we're going to have a spicy citrus vinaigrette. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is make our spicy citrus vinaigrette. And to add that citrus, we're going to use an orange. We're going to juice it. We need about a half a cup of fresh juice. Now the orange we're using is in fact a navel orange. Now if you have a salad dressing container, like me, use that. Otherwise get a bowl that you can put a lid on because you're going to do a lot of shaking. We need a half a cup of this orange juice. And to our orange juice we're going to add a quarter cup of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons peanut oil, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons hot chili oil, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And you're going to need the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons. And don't forget 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to put a lid on it, give it a good shake. Now once you're done shaking, you want to leave it out for at least 10 minutes because you want it to get kind of semi-room temperature. You want the sugar to dissolve. Now onto our jicama. You want to make sure that you take the skin off. So definitely do that. Not with this one. I'm going to cut mine in half so it can fit in the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, what we're trying to do is make either shreds, small little shreds, or you can do matchsticks. All right, look at this, beautiful shreds. We're going to stick our beautiful jicama in a bowl. All right, so we have a little bit of sugar still in the bottom, so we're going to keep shaking this. Now what we're going to do is reserve 1/3 cup of this dressing, and we're going to pour the rest over the jicama. And we're going to toss this to coat. Just give it a good mix. All right, we're going to set this off to the side. It smells delightful, by the way. Fun fact, jicama, also known as a yam bean, is in fact a tuber vegetable and is usually eaten raw. And that's because it has a mild sweetness similar to that of a pear or an apple. Jicama has potent levels of vitamin C, and it can also be used to make arrowroot powder, which is a bit better for you than cornstarch. All right, let's start on our other toppings. All I'm doing is an onion, avocado, and then I'm gonna have some cilantro on there too. And don't forget your peanuts. Unsalted, roasted. Chop them up coarsely. Now the last thing that you cannot forget is watercress. This is really cool. It's usually living when you get it. We're gonna take about half this bunch, throw it on our plate. That gave us a good rinse, chopped off the roots, and we're ready to assemble. All right, we're not using that whole bunch. Drizzle a bit of dressing. So this jicama seems a bit soupy, and I believe that is because the jicama that we got was a little bit smaller than a medium. You want like a medium size, but this will do fine, I think. Just gonna put a pile of it in the middle, like so, and then add your other toppings. So I'm gonna put a little bit of onion, avocado, sprinkle it with a little peanut, and if you want, drizzle a little bit more dressing on. Let's try it. This doesn't look like a fancy little salad. I don't think we've ever made one then. This looks like it'd be at like a 5-star restaurant. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself credit for presenting it like that. The dressing is delightfully spicy. It's not like super hot. It won't like rip your throat out, but it has a wonderful like cool kind of heat to it. This is like a really good, refreshing, like Thai infused salad to me. All right, this salad's super cute, super fun to make. You can put your own little artistic flair to it. And the jicama is really nice. The only thing hard about this salad was finding some of the ingredients. You can't find watercress everywhere. I had to go to several places to find the jicama. However, I did find both of those things at Whole Foods. All right, y'all. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. Make sure to hit subscribe and share and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Now, if you have a nifty salad dressing container, then use that. If not, just get a bit bigger and the juice of a lemon.